Hey, good morning. Micro Map here. Another hot one in South Florida. Doing my little morning walk here. Let me just check my camera's clean. Always gotta put a lot of moisturizer on my face. When you get older, your skin gets drier. So yeah, morning stroll. Wanted to do a video. So where do I start? Well, it's hot, so we'll take a look at the temperature. Just got starting here in my daily stroll. I weighed myself this morning, 243. Yeah, big drop. I was at 247, stuck at 247. I had some salad last night and didn't go well with my belly. Yeah, so was watching the home run derby, started getting cramps. I had tuna with with salad and yeah, didn't do me good at all, at all. But woke up this morning, had my coffee with a little bit of. I ran out of half and half. I used to do heavy whipping cream. Um, Let me turn off my Wi-Fi. Hopefully this thing is still recording. Yeah, still recording. Hey, so I put a little milk in my American coffee and black coffee, and so far so good. 243, good start to the to a new month. My month starts on the 10th. That's when I started really focusing on the fasting and the lower carb diet. But yeah, feeling better, and yeah, I'm sure some water weight because I didn't do good with the salad. But whatever, I'm still fasting, and when I get hungry, I'll probably have more eggs. Let's see what the weather's like right now. Let's see here. The Weather Channel's been giving me a lot of problems. So right now, it's feels like one. It's 89, but it feels like 105. Outdoor sports is unfavorable right now. No pollen, low medium, which is good because I suffer from a lot of allergies. Feels like 105 right now. Humidity is, let's see, humidity at 73. That's disgusting. Disgusting. There's no lightning in the area. And I'm sure we have another, let me see if my weather channel is working. I'm sure we have another heat advisory today here. So we do have another heat advisory, and we are at, let's say, range values up to 109. So yeah, another hot one, folks. No joke. Back to me. Then we look at the futures. But yeah, it's hot, folks. It's so hot that, so you guys know that I love my pool. Um, and I kind of cut down on the pump. And the guy at the pool place told me to put my iChlor, whatever, the one that makes the salt converter, whatever you call it, that makes my pool with the salt chlorine. He goes, no, put it down to 70%. And then my father-in-law's like, no, put put the uh the motor pump down to 4 hours. Bad mistake. I didn't go in the pool for like 4 days, and the water wasn't good. I saw a little bit of algae, so I went to the store right away and put the pump back up. I'm gonna run it for 24 hours for a couple of days and let it get back to normal. Um, and I threw some salt in there and it's making salt again, and I pumped it up to 100%. So, but the pool's getting to 91 degrees. It's disgusting. So hot that you gotta keep that motor running to avoid any algae or bacteria uh, buildup. So I still continue to feel the same about the markets. Yesterday was a good day for Micromap. All the accounts were up. Nothing big. I'm not trading big or anything because the VIX is at 15, and I like to see it over 20. I did do some trades, and we'll look at that. Not really active. I just put some engagement trades, small penny, small stuff. But if you noticed, yesterday small caps did good, and I've been mentioning that, and the dollar was weaker, and it will continue to get weaker. I think we get important inflation data tomorrow, so that's very very important. Um, I know yesterday I got online. I had to order some filters for my AC, um, and I had paid in. It was in March. Not even 4 months ago. So let's see, April, May, June, July. 4 months ago, I had paid like 50, $53 for the filters. I think it was like maybe six filters. I'm not sure how many filters it was. I'll look at it now. But it went up to like $60. So it's like that's like 10% is $5. It went over 10%. Went up over 10% in 4 months. It's over 10%. 10% is $5. And this went up like $6. So probably 12 to 15%. I don't have my calculator, but from the top of my head. So inflation is not getting better, especially in the store with food. It's not getting better. Car prices have dropped. I had a very good June moving metal. July's not off to a bad start. It's okay. We're only today's the what's today, the 12th or 11th, whatever it is. I know it's one of those days, 11 or 12, whatever. Almost halfway through the month. I'm putting up decent numbers, but it's been slower the last couple of days. We'll see. Gets a little bit slower mid-month, and then it picks up again at the end of the month. I'll surely get on to the grind now here after my walk. Just trying to get the walk in before it really starts getting crazy hot. Um, so let's take a look at the futures. Let's go to the futures here. Um, let's see here. Let's take a look at the dollar. So the dollar's down a little bit and it's under 102. We have the 10-year at 4. It's hard for me to see this with my glasses. Uh, Foreign currencies are mixed. Bitcoin down 500 almost, holding 30,600. Oil up $1. And you guys know how I feel about oil. S&P up 4, gold up 8. It's good for the good guys, the gold bugs. Copper 377, way below 4. Industrial metal. Dr. Copper is a recession indicator, and it's not really trading too well. Lean hogs 65 cents, almost at 100. And cattle down 27 cents to 176. And the feeders are pretty even, 245. Meat prices are very expensive. Proteins, very, very expensive. But that's what we need to eat instead of cornflakes and all that garbage that has sugar in it. NASDAQ is down 44. As I've been saying, I don't like the tech sector. I think it's overvalued. I think it's been pumped up. And I think there's a lot of AI hype. Don't get me wrong, tech is a good sector to be in, but I don't want to overpay for it. Just like I don't want to overpay for a house or apartment. You got to pick your battles. So I think that commodities have been undervalued, and I think the dollar's going to roll over and get weaker. And I think it makes sense to be in commodities and in international exposure. Dow Jones up 85, Nat Gas 270, perking up a little bit. Palladium and platinum, those have been pretty range bound. I should get some of those precious metals because they're really pretty cheap, man. Palladium has fallen off a cliff. Look at that chart when you guys have a chance. Silver 2340, VIX still negative at 1550. Corn up 2, soybeans up 10, wheat up 10. So the grains are picking up a little bit. And those are your futures. Trade front, I did do some trades yesterday, just engagement. Let's go to filled orders and then go to, let's see here. How do I go? Filter. And we're going to go to Let's see here. What can I do? Range, order type, filled, apply. I don't want to do yesterday, last 7 days. Maybe we could do it like that. Okay, so these are my last 7 days, which I haven't done much. So yesterday I got short Rivian, I got short Robinhood, got short Intel, got short Snapchat, did a straddle in AT&T, got short First Fisker, and got short SoFi. And those were my trades. So that was 7 trades, just to engagement, really small stuff. Collected $33 on SoFi, $38 on Fisker, $111 on AT&T, $35 on Snapchat. I only did one contract. I'm staying small. I'm not really doing much because I don't like where the VIX is at. And I usually trade small. Intel $71, Robinhood $35, and Rivian $230. That's what I collected yesterday in my account. Um, back to me. Back to me. Well, maybe I can do photos. I don't know. I'm playing with the videos, and so I can multitask and show you screens and stuff like that while I walk. Hopefully, it comes out good. And hopefully, it's still recording. Yeah, it's still recording. Um, yeah. So that's how I feel about the market today. I'll look and see if anything's up that I might want to get short, or whatever is down that I might want to get long. So I'll take a look at the options. It's still early. The market just opened. It's what time is it? It's only 10:06, so the market's been open half an hour, not even half an hour, more or less. I watched a little bit of the Home Run Derby. Vladimir Guerrero won. Um, I honestly got bored and decided to watch a movie with the family. I got boring just keep watching them hit home runs, whatever. So we watched the movie as a family. Watched a movie with Matthew McConaughey, I think his name is, or whatever. It was called, what was the name of the movie? It was called, what's the name of the movie? It was called Ghosts of Girlfriends Past. Pretty good flick. It was all right. Watched it with my daughter and my wife, so good quality family time. Very important. Uh, what else? No, I'll bring some midday updates on what I see there in the future markets and the overall market. I know we have big news tomorrow on the inflation front. Let me see if I can open up CNBC. Hopefully it opens up. I'm kind of depending on my AT&T cell phone data here. So Dow Jones rises 100 points Tuesday ahead of inflation data. So yeah, we got inflation data tomorrow. Microsoft is going to lay off more people. That's bad. Uh, Sam Altman explains why he's helping to take nuclear company public. Over here we have FPL, and we have a nuclear power plant south of me. It's at Turkey Point, and that's how we get our juice here, our power. See what else we got here in the news.